The P0500 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your Toyota's engine control module is not receiving a proper signal from the vehicle speed sensor A, also known as the VSS. The vehicle speed sensor is typically located on the transmission output shaft or differential. This sensor converts the rotational speed of your vehicle into an electrical signal that the engine control module uses to determine vehicle speed. Modern Toyota models from 2023 to 2025 feature advanced diagnostic capabilities with enhanced OBD2 integration, multi-sensor validation, and some can even resolve P0500 codes through ECU software updates rather than hardware replacement. The most common causes of P500 codes are a faulty vehicle speed sensor, accounting for 45% of cases, followed by wiring issues at 30%, ECM problems at 15%, and mechanical transmission issues at 10%. This code affects approximately 8 to 12% of Toyota vehicles with over 100,000 miles, with the most common occurrences in Camry models from 2010 to 2018, Corolla models from 2009 to 2019, and RAV4 models from 2013 to 2020. Peak occurrence typically happens between 120,000 and 180,000 miles. Understanding the P0500 code is essential for Toyota owners. This malfunction prevents the ECM from accurately determining vehicle speed, which can affect various systems including transmission shifting, cruise control, and speedometer operation. The first step in diagnosing a P0500 code is using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for any related diagnostic trouble codes. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the vehicle speed sensor connector and wiring harness, looking for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Use a digital multimeter to perform electrical testing. Check for 5-volt reference voltage with the key on and engine off, then verify the signal voltage varies with RPM when running. For advanced diagnostics, use an oscilloscope to analyze the signal waveform quality and check for intermittent signal dropout during vehicle operation. The most common repair solution is vehicle speed sensor replacement, with a cost of $45 to $120 for the part, plus $80 to $150 for labor, achieving an 85% success rate. In 10 to 15% of cases, ECM reprogramming or replacement may be necessary. As of 2024, ASE master technicians report that P0500 codes are easily diagnosable with proper equipment, and 65% recommend VSS replacement as the first treatment step. Following this systematic diagnostic approach, from code confirmation through electrical testing to repair implementation, provides a 95 to 98% success rate in resolving P0500 codes effectively.